Hey y'all, hey, it's Beaching with the Boons, and today the tide brings us into the Intracoastal Waterway right here at the Boathouse. Let's go check it out. So as you can see, they have a lot of indoor-outdoor area. And in the summertime, they have huge bands out here. So you can either come by boat or come by car or even come by an Uber.
Or a cool pirate ship.
Well, you can do that too. Now, on the menu, I saw they had habanero honey wings. And you know I'm about to die to check those out.
Is that what we're going to get?
Absolutely.
All right.
So let's go on in here. It's a huge place. Plenty of seating for your family. Come on in. Look at those French fries. I think they're called.
Okay, so these are what?
Honey habanero wings. Y'all want to try them?
Let's see here. Oh, they look a lot better. Look.
Habanero.
Honey
You want
habanero.
some? They do smell good. I don't know. Not as hot as those ones that we had at the other place.
Oh, wow. And y'all got the what?
Shrimp. Oh, nachos.
Shrimp nachos. Black and shrimp nachos.
Those look delicious too.
Yeah.
All right, I've got the smoked chicken salad sandwich. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious?
Wow. What's that over there called?
And this is called Cowboy Caviar. Look at that. It looks like field peas or black-eyed peas. It is black-eyed peas, corn, tomatoes, and it is delicious.
Wow.
Mm-mm.
And I got the cowboy burger.
It does.
Look at that.
That looks good too.
With a side of slaw. It has a crispy fried onion, sharp cheddar cheese, and it's paired with smoky barbecue aioli. Ah, hey, let me back off. All right. Got the cowboy. Yeah, you want to cut it?
Yeah, let's cut it.
Let's cut it.
We're going to cut the cheese. All right, here we go.
Wow, this is the cowboy burger.
Mm.
Look at that onion. What?
Yummy, yummy. Get in my tummy.
In my belly.
And look at those chicken fingers. And is that French fries underneath there or tater? Big old taters, I think. Well, there you have it. That was a look at the boathouse. Hope you enjoyed this video as much as we did doing it. Make sure you hit that like button and always subscribe. And as always, keep beaching. See you in the next video.
And
well, there you have it. That was a look at the boathouse.
Boasting what?
At the Boathouse house. Well,
Bassmaster.
Y'all ready? Get out of my way. Hey, I'm trying to do a video here.